What if you could earn more money, have more free time, and stop living for the weekend? That is the big question behind the 4-Hour Workweek by Timothy Ferriss. Ferriss challenges the normal idea of success. He says success is not only about working harder, getting a big salary, and waiting until retirement to enjoy life. Instead, we should build a life where we have more freedom, time, and control. One of his main ideas is DEAL: definition, elimination, automation, and liberation. First, definition. Decide what you really want. Do not simply follow society's idea of success. Think about how you want to spend your time and what kind of life you want. Second, elimination. Remove tasks that do not create real value. Ferriss says being busy does not always mean being productive. Focus on the few things that matter most. Third, automation. Use technology, systems, and other people to reduce the amount of work you must do yourself. Build systems that can work without you being involved every minute. Finally, liberation. The goal is freedom. You do not need to wait until old age to enjoy your life. Create more freedom now and use your time for travel, learning, family, hobbies, and experiences. Another important lesson is to focus on results, not hours. Working 8 or 10 hours every day does not automatically mean you are successful. What matters is what you produce and the value you create. Ferriss also encourages readers to question the rules. Ask yourself, why am I doing this? And is there a better way? The biggest lesson is simple. Do not build your life around work. Build work around the life you want. You do not need to follow every idea in the book, but if you start removing unnecessary work, using smart systems, and protecting your time, you can move closer to a life with more freedom. Want to listen to the full audiobook? Try it with a free trial using the link in the description.